I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to reset your TikTok For You page. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Are you feeling like your TikTok For You page has lost its groove? Sometimes a refresh is all you need. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your TikTok FYP and rediscover content that's truly tailored for you. Now let's walk through the steps to reset your TikTok For You page. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your TikTok home screen. Step 2. Tap Profile in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your TikTok profile screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap the menu icon at the top of the screen. A menu opens. Step 4. Tap Settings and Privacy in this menu. The Settings and Privacy screen is shown. Step 5. Scroll down to the Content and Display section and then tap Content Preferences. You'll land on the Content Preferences screen. Step 6. Tap Refresh Your For You feed. The Refresh Your For You feed screen is displayed, where you'll be notified that if you move forward with resetting your TikTok For You page, you'll be shown popular videos to launch your new feed, and that your following feed, profile, and inbox won't be affected. Step 7. Tap Continue. A window pops up asking if you're ready to refresh your TikTok For You feed and warning you that this action can't be undone. Step 8. Tap Refresh. Your TikTok For You page will be reset immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.